Hi friends, today I am going to discuss with you about the second tense of present tense, that's present continuous tense. In my previous video, I have taught you about simple present tense. The definition, at what occasion we use simple present tense, and the rules and regulation of the simple present tense, helping verbs and verb forms about simple present tense we have suggested. I have taught you about that in my previous video. But today I am going to teach you the second tense, that's present continuous tense. At what occasion we use present continuous tense? And what is the rules and regulations of the present continuous tense? What kind of helping verbs and verb forms we use in present continuous tense? That's very important. We have to discuss about that. First of all, what is present continuous tense and when do we use present continuous tense? That's very important. The present continuous tense, it is used to show an action which is going on at the time of speaking. Listen to me carefully. Going on at the time of speaking. When the action is going on, when the action is continue, about that certain action we talk. For example, I am teaching. The action is going on. My teaching action is going on at this time. So I am say I am teaching English grammar. I am talking about present continuous tense. I am discussing about present continuous tense. I am describing about present continuous tense. Because this action is going on. When the action is going on, that time we used to show or say the action said about the certain action. We talk about the certain action. That time that action we should use in present continuous tense. For example, you are taking breakfast. You can say I am taking breakfast. For example, you are writing. You say I am writing. For example, I am reading. That time you can say I am reading. I am discussing about the matter. I am discussing. Like this, we use present continuous tense when the action is going on. And what kind of the helping verb we use in this present continuous tense? The helping verbs are am, is, are. Am, is, are. These helping verbs we use in present continuous tense. I am. We are. You are. You are. He is. She is. It is. And they are. And like this we use helping verbs. And what kind of verb we use in this tense? V1, V2, V3, V4 or present form of the verb, past form of the verb, past participle form of the verb or gerund. We use in this tense gerund or V4, V1 plus ing, go plus ing, going, do plus ing, doing, going, doing, making, singing, dancing. Like this we use am, is, are helping verbs plus V4. When this present continuous tense we use when the action is going on. When we are involved in that work, when we are continuing that work, that time we express about that work, the certain work, the continue. When we say the work is continue, when we say we are involved in that work, we can use present continuous tense. For example, I am going to school. When I am going to school, when my journey is continue, you can say I am going to school. I am working in the field. When I am working in the field, you can say I am working in the field. She is learning English. She is studying. He is playing cricket. When he is playing cricket, when he is playing is continue, that time you can say he is playing cricket. They are discussing about the subject. When they are involved in discussing, that time we say present continuous tense. So when present continuous tense is used to show when the action is going on, when the action is continue, that time we use present continuous tense. This is Nagaraj Arnab, English teacher. We will meet again next video. Bye bye.